So real quick here is the MLO shoes. These are the shoes that are going around Facebook. Four people put it together. They're donating money. They, help. I think they're helping out with medical equipment, or I don't know. They're donating something to do with Black Lives Matter and COVID and all that stuff. Whatever. Here are the shoes here. These are not the ones I ordered. That's the issue with them. I ordered black shoes and they're a different style. There's nothing wrong with these white ones. They're too white for me. You know, I would get them dirty within a day. And there was a couple spots, like right there. I'm not happy with that. But the shoe itself, it is extremely comfortable. I will say that it's extremely comfortable, and they're not bad. Not bad for the price. I think this one here, the one I got, retail for $150. These retail for $120, and they're marked down to $69.99. And not bad shoes. They are comfortable. And I'll go ahead and show you one right here on my feet. There we go. Don't pay attention to my socks. They're a little bit off-white. My legs a little fat. But anyway, yeah. So they're so white that my socks look terrible. So yeah, here they are. Check them out. MLO. And I'll keep you updated as far as I assume, since they're they seem like a honest company, that they will probably go ahead and get me my right ones out. Everybody makes mistakes, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, you'll see it going around Facebook. Like, subscribe, share, holla at your boy. See you go unlocks.